Hello everyone. Today we are reading Gunjan Hindi Pathmala 2. This is revised edition and Madhuban publication. And today we will be covering chapter number 8. It says Barish ka ek din. This is page number 56. Barish ka ek din means Barish means rain. Ek din one day, so a rainy day. चर्चा करें. Let's discuss. आपको कौन सी ऋतु पसंद है? So ऋतु means season. So which season do you like? बारिश आने पर आप क्या क्या करते हैं? So when it rains, what all you do? So there are different answers for that, and I want you all to comment and tell me what you do when it is raining. बारिश के बाद आसपास कैसा लगता है? So after it rained, how it appears? How is the climate and the greenery? So how it looks around you? वर्षा ऋतु में कोई भीगने से बचने के लिए पेड़, घर आदि का सहारा लेता है. So when it is raining, some people when they don't want to get wet, they go under the shade of tree or some house. तो कोई भीगने और आनंद लेने के लिए घर से निकल पड़ता है. So there are some people who search for shelter or search for a shade, but some people, what they do, they want to get wet and they want to enjoy rain, so they come out and they enjoy it with their friends. खासकर बच्चे बारिश का अधिक आनंद उठाते हैं. So especially kids, they enjoy raining. If you ask them when it is raining whether they want to go out or they don't want to, they will definitely say yes, right? All the kids will agree with my answer. दोपहर का समय था. So दोपहर means afternoon. समय means time. था, we all know था is used for past tense. Okay? So was. दोपहर का समय था. So it was afternoon. रोहित और नीना. Now there are two characters, रोहित and नीना. स्कूल से आ गए थे. रोहित and नीना स्कूल से means from school आ गए थे. They had come. So रोहित and नीना came from the school. दोनों ने स्कूल की यूनिफॉर्म, बस्ता, जूते आदि सही स्थान पर रखे. दोनों ने means both. स्कूल की, schools, यूनिफॉर्म, बैग, शूज आदि एक्सेट्रा. सही स्थान पर means on their proper place. रखे, kept means when they came from school they kept their uniform, bag and shoes on their places. माँ ने उन्हें सामान सही जगह पर रखना सिखाया था. माँ ने means माँ means mother. उन्हें means to them. सामान means the stuff. सही जगह पर means on a. माँ ने उन्हें सामान सही जगह पर रखना सिखाया था. माँ ने means their mother. उन्हें them सामान means things. सही जगह पर means on proper place. रखना keeping सिखाया था taught. So their mother taught them to keep the things on proper places. रोहित ने खाना खाकर नीना से कहा. रोहित ने खाना खाकर means after finishing the food. नीना से कहा said to नीना. दीदी चलो हम बरामदे में खेलते हैं. दीदी means it is referred to elder sister. अक्का, दीदी. दीदी चलो. चलो means let's go. हम बरामदे में खेलते हैं. हम मीन्स we. बरामदे मीन्स बालकनी में. इन बालकनी खेलते हैं. Will play. So दीदी let's go. Let's play in balcony. दोनों बरामदे में आकर खेलने लगे. दोनों मीन्स बोथ. बरामदे में इन द बालकनी. आकर they came खेलने लगे. Started playing. So they came to the balcony and started playing. आकाश में काले घने बादल छा गए. आकाश में मीन्स in the sky. काले घने बादल मीन्स black dense clouds. छा गए. They came. So and the sky is covered with black and dense clouds now. तेज बारिश होने लगी. Started raining heavily. आस पड़ोस से उनके मित्र अपने अपने घरों से बारिश में भीगने निकल पड़े. आस पड़ोस से भी from the neighborhood. उनके मित्र their friends. अपने अपने घरों से means from their houses. बारिश में in rain. भीगने means to get wet. निकल पड़े came out. So from the neighborhood their friends came out from their houses to get wet in the rain, to play in the rain. उनको खुश होते देख रोहित भी खुशी से उछलने लगा. उनको means them. खुश होते happy. देख on seeing. रोहित भी रोहित also खुशी से with happiness उछलने लगा. He started jumping. So as he was seeing his friends happy, he was also jumping with the joy. रोहित said, दीदी चलो हम भी बारिश में भीगेंगे. बड़ा मजा आएगा. दीदी let's go. हम भी means we also. बारिश में in the rain भीगेंगे. Will get wet. बड़ा मजा आएगा means it will be definitely a fun. So let's go दीदी. We also will get wet in the rain. It will be a lot of fun. नीना said, हाँ पहले पुराने अखबार ले आओ. मैं नाव बना लेती हूँ. Means yes. पहले means first. पुराने old. अखबार newspaper. ले आओ get. मैं I. नाव boat. बना लेती हूँ will make. So Nina says, हाँ yes. First you get the newspapers. So I will make boats out of them. रोहित भागकर अखबार ले आया. नीना ने ढेर सारी नावें बनाई. रोहित भागकर means he ran. अखबार newspaper ले आया he brought. नीना ने ढेर सारी. So ढेर सारी means lot of. नावें boats बनाई made. So Rohit ran and got lot of newspapers and Nina made lot of boats from them. रोहित ने हैरान होकर पूछा, इतनी सारी नावें हम दोनों के लिए? रोहित सरप्राइजिंगली asked. इतनी सारी means so many boats. हम दोनों for both of us. So he is asking. He was surprised. Why so many boats? We are just two people, right? How many boats we want? So he asked, so many boats only for both of us? नीना, हाँ मैंने सब दोस्तों के लिए भी बना ली है. नीना said, yes. मैंने means I. सब दोस्तों means all friends. के लिए means for them. भी also बना ली है made. So yes I made boats for all of our friends also. वाह, मेरी गुड़िया कितनी समझदार है. सबका कितना ख्याल रखती है. पीछे खड़ी माँ ने खुश होकर कहा. वाह means she is praising her. Very good. Wow. मेरी गुड़िया means my doll. So in Hindi, generally girls are called dolls, गुड़िया. So with love, the elder says to the young girls, गुड़िया. मेरी गुड़िया कितनी समझदार है means how intelligent she is, how understanding she is. सबका means for all, कितना how much, ख्याल means taking care, रखती है. So रखती है means taking, ख्याल means care. So how intelligent and understanding my doll is. She takes care of everyone. पीछे खड़ी माँ ने खुश होकर कहा. पीछे खड़ी means, पीछे means at the back. खड़ी standing. माँ ने खुश with happiness, she said. So she said this with happiness. रोहित और नीना भागकर अपने दोस्तों के पास गए. रोहित और नीना भागकर means they ran and अपने दोस्तों के पास गए and they went to their friends. नीना ने सबको एक एक नाव दी. नीना सबको means to everyone, एक एक नाव दी. So she gave one boat to everyone. सभी मिलकर नाव तैराने लगे. सभी means all, मिलकर together. नाव boat तैराने लगी means sailing. So they all together started sailing the boat. सब अपनी नाव दूसरे से आगे रखना चाहते थे. सब means everyone. अपनी नाव means their boat, दूसरे से means from their counterparts, from the other person. आगे रखना चाहते थे means they wanted to be in front, they wanted to win. सब में प्रतिस्पर्धा शुरू हो गई. सब में means in everyone, प्रतिस्पर्धा competition शुरू हो गई means started. So everyone started competing. जिसकी नाव पीछे रह जाती वह हाथों से बहते पानी को पीछे की तरफ से हिलाता और उसकी नाव आगे बढ़ने लगती. So you can also use this trick. Okay, when your boat is not moving in the rain, use this trick. What is it? So जिसकी नाव, whose boat पीछे रह जाती means is lagging. वह हाथों से, so that person with the hands बहते पानी को means the flowing water, पीछे की तरफ से हिलाता means from the back they try to move like this. And उसकी नाव means their boat आगे बढ़ने लगती. So it starts moving front. नीना अपनी फ्रॉक का घेर फैलाकर बोली. नीना अपनी फ्रॉक means her frock. This is frock का घेर. घेर means the frills. फैलाकर means she spread it and she said. So she took her frock like this. She opened it and she said. आज तो मैं बारिश का पानी भर ही लूँगी. Means आज means today. Definitely मैं I बारिश का पानी means raining water. भर ही लूँगी means I will gather in this means today definitely I will gather all the rain water in my frog. सब खिलखिलाकर हंसने लगे. सब means all, खिलखिलाकर means giggling, हंसने लगे and laughing. So all started giggling and laughing. बारिश कम होते होते खत्म हो गई. So बारिश कम होते होते means started slowing down and खत्म हो गई means it finished. पर बच्चों को तो अभी भी मज़ा आ रहा था. But बच्चों को means children's, तो अभी भी means still मज़ा आ रहा था means enjoying. The rain has stopped but the children are still enjoying. गड्ढों में भरे पानी पर वे उछलते और छपाक की आवाज़ सुनकर सब खिलखिलाने लगते. गड्ढों में means in puddles. भरे पानी So water is filled inside the puddles. On that they start jumping. वे उछलते, they jump on that. Or how it sounds, chapak. So when you also jump on the water which is stuck in the puddle, you will also get this noise. So when it rains and we also, when we jump in the puddle, how it sounds, chapak. Have you ever experienced it? We all do that, right? So छपाक की आवाज़ सुनकर, they hear this noise of छपाक, सब खिलखिलाने लगते, means they all start laughing aloud. So how they are enjoying? They are jumping inside in the water which is there in the puddle. So they are jumping on that. It sounds छपाक and they all start laughing. फिर धूप निकल आई और आकाश में सुंदर इंद्रधनुष निकल आया. फिर means then, धूप, sunlight निकल आई, came, और and आकाश में, in sky, सुंदर, beautiful, इंद्रधनुष, rainbow निकल आया, came out. So we all know that when it is raining, and after that if sun comes out, we can see a rainbow. So here also that happens. As soon as rain stopped, then sun came out, and what it formed? A rainbow. सबसे पहले विकास ने उसे देखा. सबसे पहले means first. विकास is the boy, ने उसे देखा. So he saw first. Vikas was the person who saw the rainbow first. Vikas said, देखो देखो इंद्रधनुष, means look there, see what is there. It is rainbow. Neena, वाह, 7 रंगों का इंद्रधनुष. Neena said, wow, 7 colors rainbow. तभी धूप चली गई और इंद्रधनुष भी लुप्त हो गया. तभी means at that moment, धूप means sun rays चली गई, they went off. Or and Indradhanush means rainbow also vanished. So at that moment the sun went down, sun rays were not there, so even the rainbow vanished. सब मित्र इंद्रधनुष की बातें करते और धमाचौकड़ी मचाते हुए अपने अपने घरों की ओर लौट चले. सब मित्र means all friends, इंद्रधनुष means rainbow की बातें. So they were talking about rainbow. All friends started talking about rainbow. Or and धमाचौकड़ी. धमाचौकड़ी means beating drums. मचाते हुए means they are beating drums, means they are all talking aloud, laughing, and doing all this. They started अपने अपने घरों की ओर, so to their own houses or lord gate, towards they were back to their houses. So they all started talking about the rainbow, and they were talking very loudly, laughing and doing masti, and like that they started moving towards their houses. So that's all for the day. And if you did not understand anything, please watch again the video. If still you find it difficult, take your parents' help. If you want to ask me anything, you can write it in the comment box, or you can email me at atharvemporium@gmail.com. I'm starting my Facebook and Instagram page also. I think I should do it by this week. You can follow that for the updates. Thank you.